Hi friends, Mr. Duffy here live at the Mouseworks Studios. Hope you're doing well today. I wanted to review our grilled cheese sandwich that we make at school. And we have a unique grilled cheese sandwich that doesn't involve the stove or frying pan. And I know for some of you that's a little scary and you're still learning to be safe around the stove and the oven and things. So this one we tried at school a few times, seemed to go fairly well, so we'll run through it. You're going to need 2 slices of bread. You are going to need a cheese slice. You are going to need a knife. You're going to need the cutting board. Theo's wanting to visit. No visiting right now, Theo. There we go. You're going to need the microwave, toaster or toaster oven, and a paper towel. I'm going to have to put Theo out for 1 second, friends. Hang on. Hi, I'm back. So yeah, microwave and a paper towel. So how we're going to start this is we're going to toast our bread. So come with me and we'll go over to the toaster oven. Let's see here, friends. You can see the toaster oven there. We're going to put our bread in. You maybe have a toaster at home. We have a toaster oven at my house. And I am going to press the start button here. And we're going to let that toast away for a few minutes. What we're going to be doing next is we're going to put some margarine on the bread. A normal grilled cheese, we put the margarine on the outside of the bread so that the bread doesn't burn in the frying pan. But with a microwave grilled cheese, we're going to put the margarine on the inside of the bread just like we would with any other sandwich. Then we'll add our cheese slices. We're going to wrap it in the paper towel and we're going to microwave it for about 8 seconds. I know, crazy. That'll help it to stay crisp and that will melt the cheese. Okay, so let's check on our toast here. Looks like we have about 2 minutes to go. We have to be careful with the toaster oven because it is hot. The handle here is not hot. When I take out the bread, it's going to be a little warm, so I'm going to be cautious and careful. You can, well, I can smell it. You can't smell it. It smells delicious. With any kind of cooking that you're going to be doing, make sure you're checking with a parent before you do that, just so that they're aware and to be safe. Yeah. So toaster, microwave, grilled cheese. Maybe a snack, breakfast, or a lunch you can make yourself. Let's see how she's doing. You can see the red getting hot inside. This would be hot to touch, so I'd want to be careful with that. It would be hot up here. I don't want to be touching that. Looks like we have just over a minute to go. Maybe Mr. Duffy can do a little musical interlude while you're waiting for the toast. Toast, please hurry up. Toast, why won't you cook faster? Toast, don't let me down now. Okay, enough of that. Back over to the toast. We are just under a minute to go. You can see inside there's some steam happening. Hasn't quite browned up. You want it to be a little bit crispy there. On my toaster, I have this cool button that says a bit more. I'm going to add just a bit more so that it is crispy because I like my grilled cheese a little bit crispy. While that's happening, let's go back over here. Take a look at our cheese slice. Put you back on here. Hi, friends. So with our cheese slice, remember there is this chip open, right? And then you want to peel the plastic off because nobody wants to eat plastic. So that is ready. We'll just angle you down a little bit more here. There we go. So we're going to put our bread here. We're actually going to put our toasted bread on the paper towel. And the paper towel helps with the process of of keeping the sandwich together while it's in the microwave. This trick I learned from a friend of mine, former student who was a scout. So we just heard that the bread is done. So hang on here, we'll walk back over. So you'll see it is crispy. This is my safe place to touch. I'm just gonna unplug it just for safety to start off with. And then I'm gonna take my bread out, put the lid back up. I'm gonna carry my bread back over here. There we go. And what I'm going to do is just put margarine on the inside of the sandwich like I would with a regular sandwich. Spread, spread, spread. Spread, spread, spread. If you like margarine on both sides, you can do both sides. If you don't, that's fine too. So remember, our spreadings, we spread and scrape, spread and scrape, spread and scrape. Just like so. Then I'm going to take my cheese slice, put it on the bread, put it in there. So on a grilled cheese that you cook on the frying pan, it goes on, the margarine goes on the outside, and this one goes on the inside like a regular sandwich. Just going to wrap my sandwich, wrap, wrap, and we're going to take it over to the microwave here. Open up the microwave. And we are going to cook it for about 9 seconds. Just that fast. Open up the microwave. And put you back down here. So here is my grilled cheese. As you can see, I'll show you the inside. It is just melted, just the way you like. It is crispy on the outside. I didn't have to worry about hot stoves or frying pans. I could do it all like that. So remember, you need your cutting board, you need a knife, you need some margarine or butter, you need 2 slices of bread, you need a cheese slice, a toaster or a toaster oven, a microwave. Toast your toast like you normally would. Wrap your completed sandwich in a paper towel. Cook it for 9 to 10 seconds and then enjoy. I'm going to try this right now. Delicious. All right, see you next time. Signing out from the Mouseworks Studios. Bye for now.